it's recording. Alright, what they did in this pain block is they gave me a couple milligrams of Versed, and they stuck about a 5-inch needle in my neck right here. And probably an hour later, this hand is useless. Literally. I can't feel that. That is just...
Well, stop.
I mean, I can't move it. Literally. I mean, I can... That's about all I can after... What time? Well, my surgery was what, noon? No, it was...
About 6:45 this morning.
6:45 this morning, and that's been 12 hours, and this is... See, I can move it a little bit, but I can't feel anything touching it. Literally. I can't feel that. It's the craziest thing. I can feel a little of that, but it's so you don't have no pain afterwards. I got no pain. None. Absolutely none whatsoever.
Yeah, and we will continue this tomorrow.
Yeah.
When it comes back.
But that's the weirdest thing, is feeling that, and it's warm, but you got no... you know, feedback. It's weird. They were stingy on the Versed though. But anyways, it was torn again. Now they're gonna...
It never healed.
Show that.
Stop. Stop.
They're gonna fix that next. She hates that noise. They're gonna fix that next. That's tender. I can feel that. That's what everybody's going to now, is they're pain blocking what they're doing surgery on. So you don't have pain for 2 days. And it gives the thing the chance to heal a little bit. And you're not crying like a little bitch. And then, you know, you're not on pain medicine. It heals better. You know, they pain blocked my feet. And that probably screwed me, because I put tennis shoes on right afterwards because I had no pain. And now they pain blocked my whole arm. I mean, that's warm. That's the most I've moved it since I've been home.
It's getting there. It's going to come back in a minute.
That's weird. I got my little apple, as Jim says. One of these days I'm going to be able to eat that apple. I'm going to take this off and go to sleep, though. Alright. Let me stop it.